Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue if the screen rotation feature isn't working properly on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. First of all, make sure that the lock orientation isn't enabled on your smartphone. It's located in the quick settings menu. If it's colored blue, that means that the lock orientation is enabled and your phone will not rotate its screen. Try tilting your device's screen in different directions. Now, first of all, this feature will not work on the home screen, so we're gonna have to open some sort of application that will let us use screen rotation. For example, your Google web browser. As you can see, everything your screen should tilt and turn in different directions, depending on where your phone's display is tilted. But if it doesn't work for you, if it's not working for you this way, then let's try to restart the phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, and swiping the circle down to reboot the phone, and waiting until the phone and the sensors of the phone restart. And once your phone is restarted, check if the auto rotation feature started working normally again. So once again, check this feature in your web browser, for example, and if it just doesn't want to work, you can restart your device into the safe mode to make sure that no third-party application or no background activity is causing your screen rotating feature to behave differently. To enter the safe mode, swipe down to reboot, wait until you see the Xiaomi logo on your screen, wait for about 5 seconds after you see the Xiaomi logo, and after 3 to 5 seconds, start holding down the volume down button until your device switches to the following logo and your smartphone slightly vibrates. Okay, and then you can release the volume down key and wait until your device boots into the safe mode. In the safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, check once again if your auto screen rotation started working, and if it didn't, well, of course, if it did, then you're gonna have to identify the application that could have caused this issue. To do that, you're gonna have to manually scroll to the apps list in your settings and find the application that you know nothing about to basically find it, select it, and uninstall it from your device, and then just reboot your smartphone. But if even in the safe mode your device's screen rotation didn't start working normally, then you're gonna have to basically well, first you can check for available software updates in About Phone section by tapping on Xiaomi HyperOS logo, except for I'm not sure if we will be able to do this in the safe mode, so you're gonna have to go back to the normal mode and check for available software updates. Oh, okay, we can actually do this in the safe mode. And if your device has any update to install, then of course download and install the latest software version. But if this doesn't help you either, you can perform a factory reset operation on your device, which will result in erasing basically all data from your device. So it would be better if you back it up either on an external device or in a cloud using a cloud service. So back up your data, and then here go to factory reset, erase all data, and then confirm with your password, and wait until your smartphone is fully reset. And after it's reset, the screen rotation feature should get back to normal again. And so that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.